Hi everyone, for this tutorial video, we're going to focus on what you can see here in the stock tab. So let's begin with real-time monitoring. So basically, this is where you can monitor and watch all the stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange. You can see basic information, the last traded price, the change throughout the day, value-wise and percentage-wise, the open, high, low, close, volume, and the value. Right, so if you just want to quickly look at all of the stocks, or you want to look at a specific stock, you can take a look here. You can search for what stock you want, let's say BRN for example. So there you go. Next, the market summary. So here you're gonna see the summarization of what happened the previous day, right? And you can also customize it. I mean, you can choose a date rather to see what happened, let's say during September 3, a week ago, right? So you can see the total volume that was traded throughout the market, the foreign buying, selling, right? Block sales, odd lots, and number of traded issues, number of trades. And then this is a quick way to see how healthy the market is, right? As you can see, there are 125 stocks that declined throughout this trading day. So you can easily say that it was a bad trading day. Maybe for the days to come, you should maybe be a little more cautious and see if more advances can be found. You also see the performance of the different indices in the market, right? So we have financials, holdings industry, mining, and as you can see, all the indices except mining went down, right? So that's just a quick overview of it. You can see the block sales. And then you can see some of the securities that were suspended by the exchange. So there you go. Alright, next, let's take a look at market status. So this one is for the day. You can see the most actively traded stocks throughout the day, the ones with the most volume. Then you can see the top gainers, those who are quickly moving towards the upside, and then the top losers for the day. And you can also sort it based on the date. Let's say you want to check the top gainers from last week, last Thursday. There you go. Okay. Oh, and you can also sort it by the exchange you want. Right, so here in Investagrams, we have Singapore stocks, we got crypto, we got Forex, we got some US stocks as well. Alright, let's take a look at crypto for the day. So there you go, you can see the movers in the market in terms of cryptocurrency. Alright, next, take a look at projected price. This is something you look at before the market opens at around 9 o'clock, and then during that's a pre-open, and then during the pre-close. So this is the projected prices earlier today during the pre-open. So at least you can mentally, by looking at this, you can mentally prepare yourself to see what can happen to specific issues you're watching or to your positions. Because just to give you a scenario, it's a possibility that you have a position in stock XYZ, and then overnight it released a disclosure regarding new development, and maybe that may cause the stock to gap up, maybe up 10% in the morning. So at least if you look at the projected price at the pre-open, you can mentally prepare yourself on how you will execute it given the 10% gap, because you're gonna see it here. Or maybe if it gaps down, right? At least you can mentally prepare yourself if it hits your cut loss to sell immediately at the open, right? So there you go. The stock jockey, we're gonna talk about this in another tutorial video when we talk about the Investor Prime. So the news, basically, as it says, you guys see the different disclosures right here. From the PSE Edge, you can check financial reports, news on specific stocks, or maybe if you want to go, just in general, the business news to help you make better investment decisions. You can also see it here. Lastly, the Investor Terminal. So this one is pretty similar to the real-time monitoring, if you take a look at it, but it has more advanced analytics to consider. So again, you see the open, high, low, close, volume, value, But now there's so much more factors you can see in a quick glance, right? You can see technical indicators, right? Like your RSI, your MACD, your moving averages, and even more advanced indicators right here. The volume moving average, and also you can even see the type of candlesticks that's being formed. And we also have some fundamental factors you can take a look at as well. And so that's it for the investor terminal, and that's it for the tutorial on the stock tab. Thank you very much.